A few years ago, I was approached by several small business owners who knew of my experience as a real estate developer. One couple asked, "In spite of our education and experience in real estate, we have never produced a new property. What must we know to develop our first community?" As a legacy community builder, I build teams who are committed to helping individuals and small organizations to successfully develop exceptional homes and neighborhoods. Join the conversation with others wanting to build homes and neighborhoods. Legacy Community Builder. Our future is now.